Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the project and assets so editing goes smoothly. Open VN, choose your aspect ratio, and import both the main video and the QR image into media. Once done, drag your primary footage onto the timeline so you have a base to work from. Make sure the QR file is visible in the media tray. You'll be adding it as an overlay. This reduces mistakes later and ensures alignment options are available when you position the QR on screen. Now you place and animate the QR so viewers can scan it. Drag the QR onto a track above the clip and trim its in/out points to control duration. Use transform to scale and position. Set keyframes for movement or subtle entry animations so it remains readable while not obstructing faces. If the background is busy, add a semi-opaque box or border using shape layers or mask and tweak opacity to boost contrast. These steps make the QR scannable and visually integrate. Finish by exporting and verifying the QR works across devices. Export your video at 1080p or higher with moderate bitrate so compression doesn't blur the code. 264 is a reliable choice. Once exported, test scanning on a few phones at typical viewing distance. If scanning fails, make sure the QR remained large enough and static long enough, then re-edit to increase size, reduce motion, or add a solid backing for contrast. That troubleshooting step fixes most scannability problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.